Alright, yo, how's it going, everyone? And welcome back, guys, to another episode on the #1 rated Minecraft server, EnchantedMC.net. And guys, today I am super excited to showcase the brand new map of Dungeons that we are going to be going in and releasing this Saturday at 3 p.m. EST, which should be tomorrow by the time I'm uploading this video. So if you guys are excited for this brand new release of Dungeons, make sure you guys go ahead and leave a like on this video. And guys, we also have an insane giveaway for you guys today. I'm gonna be giving away the enchanted rank in today's episode. If you guys want to enter, leave a like, subscribe, comment your Minecraft username, and make sure you guys are using my custom IP, kuda.enchantedmc.net. It's the only way I can actually give away these ranks is if I can actually see you guys on the IP. So make sure you guys are using that IP. If you guys use a different IP, just feel free to switch over. It is completely free. I don't make any money off of it, so please go ahead and do that. And anyways, guys, let's go ahead and hop right into today's showcase. So yeah, Dungeons, of course, as you guys know, Dungeons, it is the most simple game mode that there is. You guys type in /zone, you go to your zone, and you literally just kill mobs. You do that over and over again, and that is the gameplay loop of Dungeons. And honestly, this season, we're gonna be doing something pretty huge. I'm not entirely sure if it's completely confirmed yet, but I'm pretty sure it is. I was talking to Royal MC off camera, and he asked me if I wanted to do a versus series. Now, the last time I did a versus series with Royal MC, it went really bad, bro. I'm not gonna lie, like, that was the worst series I did. It was a gen series, and honestly, bro, I did not have any fun with that gen map. I was so busy, and then there was like the mix with the Royal versus series and the kind of like the pressure from that. It was just not very fun, at least for me. But yeah, I mean, honestly, it's fine now because I have so much more time to grind, and we're also gonna be setting up some different rules so that we can go ahead and actually match in terms of progress, because as you guys know, Royal is a grinder, so it was also very hard for me to go ahead and like compete. But we're kind of setting up some ways that we can make it easily balanced to match both our schedules. I think we're kind of locking it in, so we'll have it confirmed in tomorrow's SOTW video whether or not it has actually been locked in, of course. But anyways, yeah, if we do a versus series, stay tuned for that. It's gonna be super exciting. We'll be posting a ton of videos on it, so yeah. But anyways, let's go ahead and hop into the showcase because we have some new gameplay changes. So the first thing that we have is solo/team guilds. Before, there was only just one type of guild you would play, no matter if you were solo or had a team. You were on the same leaderboard. Now you can actually type in /g create. I believe you type in like a name, so we type in like Kuda here. You can see we have the solo guild and the team guild. So if I click solo guild, clicking this will place you in a solo guild competing with only other solo guilds for payouts. You cannot invite others to the guild. And then you have the 8-man guild. Clicking this will place you in a team guild competing with only other team guilds for payouts. Max guild size is 8, including the leader. So for this, you know, we're doing a versus series if we do it, so it's actually perfect. We have the new solo guilds. I can click on this and create the guild, and there you guys go. Now I have my solo guild just like that. And if you type in /g top, I believe solo, you can see all of these are solo islands. If I type in /g top, oh yeah, you could basically just select which one you want to like pick. So there is the 2 different categories, and I think a lot of people are going to be doing these solo guilds just because it's a lot easier. I feel like, I don't really know, honestly, but yeah, there is no, you don't have to like pick a team anymore to win. You can win if you are a solo, which I think is very, very cool. So yeah, I'm very excited that we went ahead and got that as a feature, and I think it makes versus series a lot better. So if we do get those on like other realms, maybe like solo cells and team cells on prison, I think that'd be really, really cool. But I don't know what their plan is for that, but I think this feature is really exciting. So yeah, if you're a solo or a team, you guys can play no matter who you are. This server works for you. The next thing that we went in and added was the armor scrolls. So as you guys know, in prisons, we added these armor scrolls. I think they were pretty cool. You basically have your set, so I claim the set right here. I basically can go ahead and throw the armor scrolls onto the armor. So I think if I just equip this, right, I can drag these, yeah, there you go. You drag them onto the armor like this, and these will give you guys the different boosts. So you can see this is a 0.2 boost, a 0.33 boost, a 0.23 boost. So these have their different variety of boosts. You guys can go ahead and apply to your armor. So yeah, this is coming over from prisons onto dungeons, of course. So very exciting stuff, I can't lie. I definitely like this feature. It makes your armor a lot more powerful and gives you more bang for your buck, especially if you have the paid sets. So yeah, very, very nice. The next thing that I want to talk about is the fortune wheel. This is a really cool feature. Now, this used to be on like super OG servers back in the day. I haven't seen this in, bro, close to 10 years, bro. I think it's been like 8 to 9 years since I've seen like something like this. But basically, we have this wheel right here. You can walk up to it, you click the NPC to spin, and you can see there are the Wheel of Fortune chances. You can complete quests to earn spins. So you have the board right here. You just click this to spin, and as you guys can see, it is gonna go ahead and spin the Wheel of Fortune. And yeah, I got a yellow reward, which is a 12.5% chance, which gave me an auto fighter time. Okay, not too bad. And I actually just got confirmation from Royal that we're doing the versus series, so guys, stay tuned for that. It's gonna be super exciting. We're gonna go ahead and lock it in, so that's very exciting. But anyways, what I'm trying to figure out is how you can actually view rewards for the wheel. Maybe you just don't. I'm not entirely sure. Again, this is still kind of work in progress, so there might be a way on the release. But yeah, you guys can basically spin this, type in /quests. You can basically earn your fortune wheel spins by completing these quests. You can see each time you complete a quest, you get 1 wheel spin, which I think is pretty cool. And it is visible to other players. So like when you spin this, I think it will show to other players that it is spinning, which I think is really sick. So yeah, honestly, this is a really cool feature. I have not seen a feature like this in so long, bro. So it is so cool to see it back. So yeah, take advantage of the wheel, complete your guys' quests, and get the Wheel of Fortune so you guys can get some different rewards. These rewards are going to help you guys out, especially the free-to-play players as well. This wheel will be super useful for you guys, so make sure to take advantage of this when it does come out. Next thing that we actually went ahead and added was a miscellaneous feature. This is now allowing you to toggle off specific enchant animations. So I believe it's not going to be in toggle, right? No, so it's not in toggle, but basically for like different enchants that have like animations, I believe if you click on them, you'll be able to toggle the animations off like in the menu. So when you click on this, it allows you to like upgrade all of the levels, but there will also be a button to disable the animations for them. And I think that's really good because like some players have issues with the animations lagging. Like in one of the previous maps, I would like go on auto fighter and I would basically just grind it, but I think the enchants would like overload over time, causing my game to drop to like 2 FPS. So if you guys have any issues with frames or anything like that, you can toggle off the animations, giving you guys an insane frame boost, which will be useful for those who are on lower end PCs. So if you guys are one of those lower end PC players, this new update is for you. And yeah, I think you guys will really enjoy that feature as a whole. And then also guys, we are going to be giving away a free rank on the release as well. If you guys type in /free rank on the server, you guys can get a free mermaid rank, but you guys need to join the Discord and need to link your account in order to do that. And you guys will get the free mermaid rank. If you type in /credit shop right here, this is the mermaid rank. You guys get a money multiplier, a souls multiplier, an essence multiplier, bigger pet storage, bigger companion storage, more auction slots, more player vaults, as well as some other commands and features as well. So log on and get your free rank. This is a limited time thing only, so make sure you guys go and log on for your free rank and be sure not to miss out on that because you guys obviously will not want to miss out on a free rank claim, bro. It is awesome. But yeah, guys, this dungeon map is going to be insane. We're going to have a ton of new stuff coming out weekly, and honestly, I am so excited to grind this out. We have a massive versus series ahead of us. I'm going to get to grinding, all right? We're going to hopefully be able to catch up to Royal. I don't believe I'm going to be able to win, but I think this time I'll have a better chance at competing against him because we're setting up some rules in place. So it'll be a lot easier for me to compete against him. I think that'll be like really useful for me personally. So anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and see you all here on the release of Dungeons tomorrow at 3 p.m. EST. Make sure you guys add the server IP kuda.enchantedmc.net to your Minecraft server list to go ahead and connect on the release. Be one of the first people here. And on the release, I'm going to be giving away credits and loot boxes to those who are on my IP. I do this every single SOTW, so be sure to go ahead and do that. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will go ahead and see you all in the next video. Love you all, and peace out.